All right, Friday. Here we are. The 1st of May. Is that even possible? The 1st of May. Zooming right along. So today we have wrapped up the Phaethon myth. Yesterday we saw some tragedy. Did not follow directions. And Zeus had to stop the carnage from going on. So now let's talk about it. This cracks me up. One does not simply let Phaethon fly the sun and expect no damage. What was his dad thinking? All right. So let's see. Today we're going to watch the video directions, what you're doing. Then we've already read the story. Let's go over to the assignment for the week and see what we're doing. If you need to go back and listen to any parts, I've listed the 3 chunks right there, and I've got the story down here below. So today's assignment, you've got this chart, and in the chart, you're going to put an X for agree or disagree. Phaethon is a thoughtless, headstrong boy. Do you agree with that statement, or do you disagree with that statement? Either way is okay. And then you just have to support it with some text evidence. Why do you think that? Put quotes around it, and find some evidence from the text and put that in there. Okay? Next up, agree or disagree. Phaethon is an adventurous, courageous boy. Do you agree with that or not? And then explain why based on the text. Make sure you use a quote from the story. Next up, Phaethon is blank. You get to choose. What do you think is a good word or description of Phaethon? Explain why. I guess you can put a X here too, right? If you see like Phaethon is a, and if you put something he's not, you can put it in here, and then so on. Apollo is a disinterested, means like not interested, ineffective parent. Kind of harsh. Do you think Apollo is a not interested, ineffective parent? Agree or disagree, and why? Apollo is deeply concerned for his son's well-being. Do you agree or disagree? Why? Give text evidence. And finally, Apollo is blank. And then you supply the word with you agree or not and why. So that's all you got to do today. No reading. Reading of new stuff. You can go back and read over what you've already finished in the story. Okay, so you've just got those 6 agree or disagrees and support that with evidence. Okay, and then don't forget to submit your work on the Friday assignment. Turn that in, and then enjoy your weekend. Okay, all right. Hope you have a great one. Hope you've enjoyed this story. We'll take a look at it a little more next week. We're going to read a few more of these myths, and then eventually where this is headed, you are going to be writing your own myth. So maybe you can start brainstorming. Don't start writing it yet because I have to give you the directions, so make sure you write to the prompt. But anyway, you're going to be creating your own myth and doing a little creative writing here in another week or 2. Okay? All right. Have a great Friday and a great weekend. Talk to you on Monday.